So we thought we would show you, a lot of people ask, they want a clear glaze or a thick clear coat over their stained floor. This is actually some old stained concrete that we've had and played around with at our shop. And we thought, well, okay, we'll show people via video what a good thick clear coat will do. This is our Poly 90 product, low VOC, meaning low volatile organic compounds. So safe to use indoors, all states, 50 states that we have. So there it is, good thick clear coat. We did one coat on it. It does dry pretty quick. We put it down a couple hours ago. It's nearly tack free. You can see I'm kind of getting a little tack right there. But that's it. We just put it over real old stained concrete, and look, it looks great. So ultra durable clear coat. You can use it over stained concrete. In the background, Toby can probably show you, we put it over a flake system back there. By the way, polyaspartic polyurea like this, same family as truck bed liner. So kind of speaks to the durability of the family of those products. So anyway, there it is.